Hey guys, it's Tim, and this is Pro Wrestling Unlimited, as we have some more, information regarding the stage for WrestleMania 33. Now we have this wide shot image, and it shows, the loops are actually built now for the WrestleMania stage, and this orb in the middle now has blue around it. But let's look at this video taken by Gianni NJD on Twitter, as he's gotten an up-close video from the streets in Orlando. So as you see, he's walking up, and you do see those loops now fully constructed, I think. But look at the orb. The orb is getting some sort of blue paneling put around it, and people are asking, well, what is this orb? Is this gonna be part of the roller coaster? And I don't think it is. If you go back to the videos we saw yesterday, the WrestleMania logo is curved. I think, just like on the promotional stuff for the match cards for WrestleMania, we are going to have the centerpiece. It's going to be blue, I guess. Maybe they can add some yellows and oranges to it. And the logo is going to be curved around the front of it. But this is coming along very nicely, so let's just take a look and see what he's got here in this video. So what do you think, guys? This may not just be a roller coaster. The set may be a full-on theme park design. I don't know if there's going to be any actual moving parts and pieces, if anybody's going to do anything with the stage. I mean, I have heard something along the lines of New Day in a roller coaster car. I don't know. But hey, we're just going to have to wait and see. That's what we have so far. But that's going to do it for this edition of Pro Wrestling Unlimited. Remember to comment below, like and share this video, like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe here on YouTube.